Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another vlog, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is going to be very interesting because I am going to one of the best Italian cafe and restaurants in Nashville, Coco's restaurant. It's basically Italian place. They serve, they're famous for pastas and pizzas, and also they have a very cute bakery. They make fresh cannolis, which is one of the very tempting Italian dessert, and they have amazing coffee over there. So I'm gonna show you, they have a little market in there. I'm gonna show you their restaurant, their market, and people who are new to Nashville or are moving to Nashville, it's one of the best places to eat. And people especially who are living in Davidson County in Nashville, it's very convenient for them. It's very close by. It's not, the distance is not that far. So you know, some weekdays when you feel like you really want to go and grab some food, it's one of, I would recommend one of these places. So let's go and show you around. They have a lot of parking in the back if you could not find parking at the front. So let's go. Guys, so we are here. There's the place. We are gonna go in. Looks pretty. Awesome. Woo. Special touch. Thank you. Yummy pastry, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you would have enjoyed it, and I highly recommend Coco's Italian restaurant to people who live in Bellevue area or in Davidson County. They have a very good bakery, very nice cannolis. They make them fresh. So see you in the next video. Take care.